Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in the city of Makkah in the year 570 AD. He was orphaned at a young age and was raised by his grandfather and later by his uncle. As a young man, he worked as a merchant and gained a reputation for his honesty and integrity. At the age of 40, Muhammad received his first revelation from Allah through the angel Gabriel. This marked the beginning of his prophethood and the start of his mission to spread the message of Islam. Despite facing opposition and persecution from the Meccan elite, Muhammad continued to preach the message of monotheism and social justice. In the year 622 AD, Muhammad and his followers were forced to flee Makkah and seek refuge in the city of Medina. This event, known as the Hijrah, marked the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In Medina, Muhammad established a community based on the principles of equality, justice, and compassion. Over the next decade, Muhammad and his followers faced numerous challenges, including military conflicts with the Meccans and other tribes. Despite these challenges, Muhammad remained steadfast in his commitment to spreading the message of Islam and building a just society. In the year 630 AD, Muhammad and his followers returned to Makkah and peacefully conquered the city. Instead of seeking revenge against his former oppressors, Muhammad forgave them and granted them amnesty. This act of mercy and forgiveness is seen as a defining moment in Muhammad's life and a testament to his character. In the final years of his life, Muhammad continued to preach the message of Islam and consolidate his authority as the leader of the Muslim community. He also established the basic tenets of Islamic law and governance, laying the foundation for the Islamic State. Muhammad passed away in the year 632 AD at the age of 63. His death marked the end of the prophetic era, but his legacy lived on in the hearts and minds of his followers. Today, Muhammad is revered as the final prophet of Islam and a model of piety, compassion, and wisdom. Throughout his life, Muhammad faced numerous challenges and hardships, but he never wavered in his commitment to his mission. His teachings continue to inspire millions of Muslims around the world to strive for righteousness, justice, and compassion in their daily lives. Prophet Muhammad's life serves as a shining example of faith, perseverance, and humility. His legacy continues to resonate with people of all faiths and backgrounds, reminding us of the power of compassion, forgiveness, and love. May peace and blessings be upon him.